Day, and we have a very special guest today. This is Kensi, and she's Maggie's adorable little granddaughter, and she's getting ready for May Day, aren't you? She's going to be making some May Day baskets and show us how to do it using our AccuCut. Kensi has been making lots of baskets already. We have a few of them up here. She picked out all of her own paper. And what paper are we going to use for your next basket, Kensi, that we're going to make? Do you want to show us which paper you're going to use for your next basket? Is it this one?
Yeah.
Okay, and I notice we have a really pretty pink check on one side, and what do we have? Fish on the other side?
Flowers.
Oh, flowers on the other side. So Kensi, let's head over to the AccuCut machine and show everybody how to do this. So what we're using today with Kensi is this die board, and anybody can come in and die cut their May baskets here, and we have several styles as long as you purchase your paper. And here's Kensi's paper. So Kensi, show us what we need to do. Kensi's laying her paper on top of this die board and putting the lid on it. Okay, Kensi, what's next? Kensi is rolling it through. She's using her muscles because she's a strong and it's girl power. Lift this up and show us what we have, Kensi.
You have to fold it like in the order like the line.
Kensi has all of her folds done. And now she's gonna actually assemble it, and you don't even need adhesive, which is super cool about this basket. There's little tiny holes there on the sides, and she is folding it up and matching the holes. She's doing one side at a time, and she's taking the handle, and she's gonna have the flower side showing of the handle and the plaid side showing of the basket, which is a really nice contrast. There's pre-punched holes there, and she sticks her brad right through there. Look, Kensi's got one strap hooked on with her brad. Second strap, Kensi's gonna add a little flower, and you'll notice it has a hole in it just like our basket does. Stick the brad through the flower and through the holes, and then just spread it out on the inside. We got a cute little basket with the flower. Kensi's moved on. Kensi, what are you gonna put in here?
My grandma got a Peppa Pig thing, and there's something in the egg, and I'm gonna put it in there.
Happy May Day.
Happy May Day.